Hello all, welcome to Gagi classes. I am Kumar Sharma this side and here I am going to begin a series of lectures for all those who are preparing for UPSC mains, and the subject which I opt specifically is English literature, which is my core subject. Anyways, without taking much of your time, I am jumping directly towards the topic. So, before going to begin any lecture or any video regarding the topics, here I would like to share with you all the main syllabus of English literature. So, here, as you could see, our syllabus is divided into two parts, the paper 1 and the paper 2. Paper 1 consists the period from 1600 to 1900 and paper 2 consists the period from 1900 to 1990. So in these two papers, our syllabus is divided. Further, as you could see, we are leading towards the paper 1. The paper 1 having various periods in which the topics are given. So the first period is the Renaissance, Elizabethan, Jacobean drama, metaphysical poetry, the epic, the Mock epic, neoclassicism, satire, the Romantic movement, the rise of the novel, and the Victorian age. So these are the periods which are given into the paper first. Later on, while we are moving towards the section A of paper 1, so the first topic of section A is William Shakespeare's two drama, King Lear and The Tempest. King Lear is a tragedy and The Tempest is a tragic comedy. William Shakespeare basically wrote various dramas, and in four genres he wrote his dramas. So the genres are tragedy, comedy, history, and tragic comedy. So among all those dramas, these two are very eminent. Later on, while we are moving towards John Donne was a poet and he wrote many poems. The first poem is Canonization, Death Be Not Proud, The Good Morrow, On His Mistress Going to Bed, and The Relics. So these are all poems which are written by John Donne, and of course these all poems are metaphysical poems. What is metaphysical poetry? I will definitely let you know in our upcoming or further coming videos. Next one is John Milton. John Milton wrote Paradise Lost in 12 books, 12 epic poems. Among those 12 books, we will study only 4. The first, second, fourth, and ninth. So these we will study in our upcoming videos. Next one is Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope, which is a mock heroic epic poem, very much interesting and so funny to read. All right. Later on, we are moving towards William Wordsworth, the Romantic poet who belongs to the elderly Romantic poets. So he wrote many poems. Among them, these are the famous Ode on Intimation of Immortality, Tintern Abbey, 3 years she grew, She dwelt among untrodden ways, Michael, Resolution and Independence, The world is too much with us. The world is too much with us is a sonnet. And what is sonnet? I will let you know in our upcoming videos. Next one is Milton, Thou Shouldest Be Living at This Hour. This is dedicated to John Milton, written by William Wordsworth. And Upon Westminster Abbey. So these, Upon Westminster Bridges here. So these are the poems which are written by William Wordsworth. Okay. Later on, we will move towards Alfred Tennyson's In Memoriam and Henrik Ibsen's A Doll's House. A Doll's House is a play by Henrik Ibsen. Now, later on, we are moving towards the section B of paper 1. So the first topic is Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travel. Gulliver's Travel is a well-renowned work by Jonathan Swift, about which you heard somewhere. Next is Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, Henry Fielding's Tom Jones, Charles Dickens' Hard Times, George Eliot's The Mill on the Floss, and Thomas Hardy's Tess of D'Urbervilles, Mark Twain's The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. So these all are novels which are written by these eminent writers or the novelist. Now we are moving towards the paper second. Paper second is also about the periods, having many periods about which the topics are given. So here the first period is modernism. Poets of the 30s, the stream of consciousness novels. Stream of consciousness is genre in which the novels are written. There are various novels into this genre which are written. Next is absurd drama. Absurd drama and later on colonialism, post-colonialism, Indian writing in English, Marxist, psychoanalytical, and feminist approaches to literature, postmodernism. So these are the periods in which the paper second is given. Later on, we are moving towards the section A of paper second. So the first topic is W.B. Yeats's poem. So the first poem is Yester 1916, The Second Coming, A Prayer for My Daughter, Sailing to Byzantium, The Tower, Among School Children, Leda and Swan, Meru, Lapsy Leslie, The Second Coming. Later on, last one is the Byzantium. So these are the poems which are written by W.B. Yeats, the eminent writer of modern era. Next, we are moving towards T.S. Eliot's works. So the first poem of T.S. Eliot is The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, Journey of the Magi, and Burn Not On. So these are written by T.S. Eliot, very well-renowned poems, though he wrote various poems, but among those, these three are very well-renowned. Next one is W.H. Auden, another well-renowned poet of the era. The first one is Partition. Partition is a poem all about India and Pakistan partition. There was a fellow who walked away from India after dividing the country into two parts. So we'll study about it in detail. Next is Muses de Box Raj, in memory of W.B. Yeats, Lay Your Sleeping Head, My Love, The Unknown Citizen, and the last one is Consider. So these are the poems which are written by W.H. Auden. Actually, there are more poems which are written by here and given into the syllabus. The Mundus et Infans, The Shield of Achilles, September 1st, 1939, and Petitions. So these all are written by W.H. Auden, though he wrote many poems, but among those, these are the well-renowned, which are given into the subject or syllabus. Next one, we are moving towards John Osborne's Look Back in Anger. Look Back in Anger is a play by John Osborne. Next one is Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot. These two are plays. Next, we are moving towards a poet, Philip Larkin. His poems are Next, Please, Deception, Afternoon, Days, Mr. Blandney. So these are the poems which are written by Philip Larkin, about which we'll study later on. Next, we are moving towards the Indian writers who wrote in English. So among them, the well-renowned is A.K. Ramanujan. A.K. Ramanujan's poems, the first one is Looking for a Cousin on a Swing, A River, Of Mother Among Other Things, Love Poem for a Wife 1, First, Small Scale Reflection on a Great House, and another poem is Obituary. So these are the topics which are given in the section A of paper second. Now we are leading towards the section B of paper second. So the first one is Joseph Conrad's Lord Jim, James Joyce's Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man, D.H. Lawrence's Sons and Lovers, E.M. Foster's A Passage to India, Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dalloway, Raja Raw's Kantapura, and V.S. Naipaul's A House for Mr. Biswas. Raja Ram and V.S. Naipaul, these both are Indian writers who wrote in English. So this is our whole syllabus, about which we will study in our upcoming videos, and I'll definitely let you know each topic in each video in depth. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are having any conceptual idea and you want to share with me all those, you can comment me below. And for further details or further upcoming videos, you have to subscribe, do like and comment my channel. over my video. Thank you so much.